Imagine a workout routine that doesn't involve battling traffic, waiting for machines, or dealing with gym memberships. Welcome to the world of at-home workouts, a universe where flexibility meets convenience and privacy is a given. Now add the MaxiClimber to this equation. Compact, easy to set up, it's the perfect fit for your private fitness sanctuary. MaxiClimber, the ultimate fitness solution that brings the gym home. Meet the MaxiClimber, your personal fitness trainer that promises a full-body workout. This sleek machine boasts a range of features designed to take your at-home workouts to the next level. Its adjustable height makes it a perfect fit for everyone, regardless of size or fitness level. And with a built-in digital counter, you can easily keep track of your calories burned and steps climbed. The MaxiClimber doesn't just look good, it delivers too. Its unique design targets all major muscle groups, ensuring a balanced workout every time. It's not just about muscle though. The MaxiClimber is designed to mimic the body's natural movement of climbing, offering a low-impact, high-intensity workout. This means you can strengthen your muscles, enhance your cardio, and burn calories, all without putting unnecessary stress on your joints. But perhaps the best thing about the MaxiClimber is its ability to adapt to your needs. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, the MaxiClimber can be tailored to your fitness level and goals. With MaxiClimber, every workout is a step closer to your fitness goals. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting out, MaxiClimber adapts to your needs. From brisk morning workouts to intense training sessions or even casual exercises during your favorite TV show, its versatility shines. MaxiClimber, your partner in every fitness journey. Ready to revolutionize your fitness routine? Explore the MaxiClimber for transformative workouts. Click the link below and step into a new era of fitness with MaxiClimber.